APIs are the building blocks of modern applications. They enable integrations, automation, and seamless customer interactions. But they're also a growing target for cyber attacks. The problem? Identifying and responding to those API-specific threats is a major challenge. The reason? Security teams, burdened with limited resources and lacking specialized expertise, can struggle to keep up. That's why Akamai offers Managed Service for API Security, an enterprise-grade managed detection and response solution. Our API security specialists augment your security operations center, providing active, expert-guided protection. Our analysts act as an extension of your team and monitor your Akamai API security platform around the clock. We handle threats before they impact your business, so you can confidently focus on innovation and growth. Stay ahead of API threats. Choose Akamai's Managed Service for API Security. Learn more at akamai.com.